Lesson 58. Let's speak in English with Toto. Listen, write, read, and repeat. Jack, Bob. Hello, Bob. Hi, Jack. Weather is very beautiful today. Weather is very beautiful today. Yes, Jack. Weather is wonderful. Yes, Jack. Weather is wonderful. Let's do something. Let's do something. For example, what? For example, what? We can go swimming in the pool. We can go swimming in the pool. Great, very good idea. Great, very good idea. Can you swim? Can you swim? Of course, I can swim very well. Of course, I can swim very well. And you, Jack, can you swim? And you, Jack, can you swim? Yes, a little, but not very well. Yes, a little, but not very well. Where can we go next? Where can we go next? Next, we can go to the disco. Next, we can go to the disco. Super. Can you dance? Super. Can you dance? Yes, I dance well. And you? Yes, I dance well. And you? I can dance too. I can dance too. Are you ready to go? Are you ready to go? I am ready, Jack. Let's go have fun. I am ready, Jack. Let's go have fun. Bob, you are my best friend. Bob, you are my best friend. You also, Jack. Thanks. You also, Jack. Thanks. See you soon. Next lessons.